Welcome to the Nature Quiz. In this fun challenge, you'll be guessing the names of various plants and trees. I'll provide you with 3 options for each, and you'll need to pick the correct one. Can you guess which plant this is? It's known as aloe vera. Let's move on to the next one. That's right, it's the baobab. This one might be familiar to you. Yes, it's bamboo. And what about this stunning flower? If you guessed begonia, you're spot on. Recognize this lovely bloom? It's the bluebell. Moving on. It's bougainvillea with its striking colors. Here's a classic one. What plant is this? The answer is cactus. Next up, we have a beautiful flower. It's camellia. And this lovely flower is known as chrysanthemum. Well done. That's crocus. Can you name this elegant plant? It's dahlia. A common sight in many gardens. Yes, it's dandelion. Next, we have a tall and distinctive tree. It's the eucalyptus. It's a fern. Here's a popular houseplant. Do you recognize it? It's ficus. It's foxglove. And now, a fragrant flower. Gardenia. Did you guess it right? What about this charming flower? Geranium. This vibrant flower is the hibiscus. Next, we have a sweetly scented flower. It's hyacinth. Well done. And this elegant bloom is iris. Moving on, we have the lovely jasmine. Its scent is unmistakable. Lavender. And here's a classic beauty. Lily, did you get it? Magnolia, often admired for its large blossoms. It's the maple. You're doing so well. This cheerful flower is marigold. It's orchid. Recognize this timeless flower. Of course, it's the rose. It's poppy. Well done if you got it. And this sunny flower is sunflower, always turning towards the light. Here's a classic bloom. Tulip, did you guess correctly? Finally, we have the graceful willow. And the last tree in our quiz, it's oak. Bonus question, can you name this tree? Leave your answer in the comments. Fantastic job! I can see you're quite the nature lover. Keep exploring and learning with us. See you in the next video where more adventures await. See you soon.